Now, I already said there are many different companies in there, many different in terms of what is the application that they're actually using robotics in. And so for that, I want to show you a matrix chart where we can kind of take a look at, okay, where are the strengths in terms of IPC classifications within these portfolios. And I think you can see right away that there are some huge differences. So for example, if we're looking at Johnson & Johnson, we're talking about A61B, so that would be surgical classifications here for these patents, where they are most active in. And if we're taking a look, for example, here at DJI, it's more about the controlling of position, course, and altitude. So a different application basically within the same technology field. We also have some of the other companies like Fanuc, or for example, we have also Boeing, which is kind of active in a lot of these different IPCs, but we can also rule out something, of course, that we already kind of knew, but they're not active in surgical robots at all. Yeah, so you basically get these applications within this technology field right away here. And the easy thing that's possible is that you can now drill down into any of these. So if you wanted to know what are the 590 patents that Siemens owns within this IPC code, we could just do a drill down here and basically take a look at these 590 patent families. What I did today in order to kind of narrow our technology field down is I wanted to look more closely at these A61B patents. So I wanted to know more about surgical robotics, narrow it down. We can do a drill down, and now we have a new landscape. Yeah, so we kind of remember our top 15 players, and we recognize Johnson & Johnson and Intuitive Surgical. They're in here as well. But we have a lot of new players in here, and that's because we switched our filters. So we're not looking at robotics overall anymore, but we're now combining this with a look at A61B. So we're narrowing it down to around 7,500 patent families.